What's up, guys? Today we're learning No Time to Die by Billie Eilish. I'm going to break down the little fingerstyle arpeggiated thing that happens at the beginning, and then I'm going to break down the strumming pattern and the chord progression as well, section by section. They are all open chords, so I think any skill level can pretty much get this down as long as you know your open chords. So yeah, let's go for it. My name is Brett Blakemore from SummitGuitarSchool.com. Please do me a favor, if you enjoy this video, consider liking and subscribing. Follow the links in the description to go to our website and subscribe to our newsletter for a free lesson once a month, no spam. And also follow us and like us on Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate the support. Let's get started. Okay, so let's break down these chords. There's really only 3 or 4, so let's go for it. You got an E minor. All right, that's open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Strum all 6. You've got a C major. That's 3 on the 5th fret. I'm sorry, 3 on the 5th string, 2 on the 4th, open, 1 on the 2nd string. Strum the bottom 5. You can also sub a C major 7th every once in a while because it sounds good in the song, which means you just play the C and lift up your index. You get more of a cool harmony sounding there. It's kind of a more in-depth sound, adding the 7th. And then you've got an A major. I'm going to finger it like this, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to finger it 2, 3, and 4, just like that. You can do the traditional 1, 2, and 3 as well. So that's 2, 3, 4, 2nd fret, 5th, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd, and 2nd fret, 2nd. And then you have an A minor that happens right after it. So that's why I'm doing 2, 3, and 4, because then I can put my index on the 2nd string, 1st fret, lift up my pinky, and there's my A minor. That's open, 2, 2, 1, open. Just like that, okay? All right, so then we've also got a B7. So that's this, kind of the bluesier sounding chord, but in this case, it kind of pushes back to the minor 1, okay? So you've got 2 on the 5th string, 1 on the 4th, 2 on the 3rd, and 2 on the 2nd. All right, so that's 2, 1, 2, open, 2. It's you kind of got to cram your fingers in there, but you can do it. You just got to pull your thumb down to get all those to arch up, okay? Just like that. Then you've got the ending chord, which is an E minor major 7th. Okay, they kind of do it up the neck like that, but we're gonna do it and keep it open because that's what I said we would do. So it's a regular E minor, just like this, and then you drop your pinky, if you can reach it, onto the 4th fret, 2nd string. Just that is the sound. You can get the 1st string too, but on the recording it's just, that's it right there. Okay, so let's talk about this fingerstyle thing. You are gonna have to use your thumb on the 2nd pattern, or on the 2nd bit of it, just because I'm trying to keep it open for everyone, so we're just going to do it like this, and that kind of avoids the capo, all right? So let's try it. You're going to put your thumb on the 6th string. Thumb will always play the 6th string, and then your index is going to play the 3rd string, all right? So my 3rd finger goes on the 9th fret, 3rd string, and I'm going to go at the same time, 6 and 3, so kind of a pinch. So I'm going 6 and 3, back to 6, then my index goes onto the 3rd, 2nd string, 7th fret, just like that. So it's, and my index is gonna just keep my index for this for the rest of the fingerstyle thing. So it's going 6 and 3, 6, 2. All right, that's the 2nd string. So that's the 7th fret, 2nd string, and then you go middle finger on the 8th fret, 2nd string, but you got to do another 6 in between it, and then another 6. And then the 1st string, 7th fret. So let me break that down again. So I'm going 6 and 3rd finger on the 9th fret, 3rd string. So, and then back to 6, 7th fret, 2nd string, 6th string, 8th fret, 2nd string, 6th string, 7th fret, 1st string. All right, so like that, and then that pattern stays the same, and then you drop your thumb over the 8th fret, 6th string, and you do the exact same thing again. You go, you just got to get used to that thumb being up there. It happens a lot. A lot of the great guitar players in history have always done it, so you might as well try it. I know it feels a little weird, but let's do it anyways. So here's the first pattern. and then you drop your thumb. So thumb, and then I'm going thumb and third string together, and thumb and index here. So, and then thumb, second string, 7th fret, thumb, 8th fret, 2nd string, thumb, 7th fret, 1st string. So, all right, and then it gets a little easier. You can back off, and you play the 5th string open, all right, for that, and then that pattern stays the same above. Then you go to, you do have to switch, and your 3rd finger slides down to the 8th fret, 3rd string. All right. Actually, I'm going to use my middle. Nah, we're going to use our 3rd, sorry. So you're going to go from 9th fret, 3rd string, and drop it down. You're going to go, and that kind of turns us back around. So that goes like this. So you're going 7th fret, 6th string, 8th fret, 3rd string, pluck them at the same time. Then back to the 6th fret string, then your pinky plays the 9th fret, 3rd string, back to the 6th string, and then your middle finger plays the 7th fret, 2nd string. So that's, and you let that kind of sit there for a second. All right, so I'm going to play that whole thing again. So you got, sorry. All right, one more time. Then you do all that again, except for when you get to the B, you just go and you hold that first chord. So that's the second time through would be like this. Alright, so let's play through the chords now. The strumming pattern, once it comes in, the first verse, I'm just going all downs, alright, because it's kind of chill in the recording. But the strumming pattern, once we get there, is going to be a down, 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 up. Alright, so let's play through these chords. So the verse, you've got an E minor to C to A major, and then A minor. Alright, it's kind of cool, a little sound there. A lot of people are showing it as either just A major or A minor, but it is both. Quote me on that. So you've got an E minor, C major, A major, A minor. Then you do it again. E minor, C major, A major, A minor. You do it a third time. E minor, C major, A major, A minor, and then I come in with the strumming pattern and I go C, C, do it again, and then B7, and I'm going to hold it, alright? So on the C, you do the pattern twice. It's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 1 B7, and then it does a verse again. That's E minor, C, A minor. Alright, you do that 3 more times, and then it does that same turnaround again. C, B7, and then 1 pre-chorus. It only happens 1 time in the song. C, 2, 3, 4, E minor. That's reckless to help. Was it obvious to everybody else? To B7. And then you're into a chorus, and that's where I'm going to do the full strumming pattern. So it's going to go down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And twice on the A minor. So I'll break that down slower. So here's the chorus. Down, 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 up. That's what I'm going to do, and that's what you should do. Make it nice and easy and fun to play. So it's down, 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 up on E minor, down, 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 up on C major, and then down, A minor, down, 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 up, and another one, down, 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 up. Then it's going to do it again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then it's going to do it a third time, down, 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 and a fourth time. Just No Time to Die. All right, so 4 times through that E minor, C, A minor thing. And then it goes back to the E minor, and you can either strum through the E minor, C, A major, B7 one time, which is the intro chords, or you can go back up here and you do this interlude again. Okay, so I forgot to mention it, but the chords that go over the intro are E minor, C, A major, B7. Okay, and I'm just doing like same pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. It's A, B7, just like that. Okay, but the stuff that goes over the top of it is that fingerstyle thing. So after the chorus, you can play that interlude that we learned, or you can go to the chords there. All right. So then you've got another verse. That's E minor, C major, A minor, just the way we did before. Then you've got a whole nother chorus, and then you've got what they're calling, what you could call like a refrain or a tag, but that's just another interlude. Okay, and that actually there would happen twice the second time after the second chorus, and then you've got an outro. Fool me once, fool me twice. Are you death of paradise? Now you'll never see me cry. And then there's Just No Time to Die. And then on that last chord, that's that James Bond sounding chord, right? It's really just a jazz chord. That's open, 2, 2, open, and pinky on the 4th fret, 2nd string. Just like that.